Welcome to this video on Class 10 Physics, focusing on the PYQ questions of CBSE 2025-26. We will decode pattern of question asked in the board examination. In this video, we will discuss questions of chapter Light, Reflection, and Refraction. Let's dive into questions to help you prepare effectively for your upcoming board exams 2026-27. Let's look at our first question. Number 1. A convex lens of focal length 15 centimeters is forming a real image. If the size of image is same as the size of object, then position of object and position of image will be, respectively, A. minus 15 centimeters and minus 15 centimeters from lens. B. minus 15 centimeters and plus 15 centimeters from lens. C. minus 30 centimeters and plus 30 centimeters from lens. D. minus 30 centimeters and minus 30 centimeters from lens. Take a moment to analyze the options provided. Let's check correct answer. The correct answer is C, i.e. minus 30 centimeters and plus 30 centimeters from lens. For a convex lens, when a real image is the same size as the object is placed at 2 times the focal length, or 30 centimeters from the lens. The image is then formed at the same distance on the other side. Next question, from Assertion and Reasoning 1-mark question. Assertion A. When rays of white light pass through a prism, on emerging they give spectrum of 7 colors. Reason R. It is due to the scattering of light that red light bends minimum and violet light bends the maximum. Which option correctly evaluates these statements? Pause for a moment to analyze the options provided. Let's check correct answer. The correct option is B. Both statements are true, but the reason does not explain the assertion. While it is true that different colors bend differently, the dispersion of light is caused by the refractive index of the prism material varying for each color, not by scattering. Here is a 2-mark question. Based on the provided ray diagram, first identify the type of lens being used. Then, analyze the figure and answer the following questions. A. What is the type of lens used for image formation in the given ray diagram? B. If the real image is formed at a distance of 30 centimeters from the lens, and the size of the image is twice the size of the object, then where was the object placed? The lens is a convex lens. In this specific configuration, because the rays diverge and create a virtual, upright, and magnified image, we know the object is placed between the optical center and the focus. Using the magnification formula, we calculate that the object was placed 15 centimeters in front of the lens. Now, let's move to an important 5-mark case-based question from the chapter Light, Reflection, and Refraction. Read the given passage carefully about convex and concave lenses, image formation, focal length, and power of lenses. Based on the passage, answer all the sub-questions. In Part A, you need to find the position and nature of image formed by a convex lens. In Part B, explain image formation by a concave lens using a ray diagram. In Part C, calculate the equivalent focal length and power of a lens combination. This question tests concepts, numericals, and ray diagram understanding together, so focus carefully on each part. Now let's discuss the complete solution of this important 5-mark case-based question from Light, Reflection, and Refraction. In Part A, we apply the lens formula and find that the image is formed 40 centimeters from the lens. Since the object is placed at 2F, the image formed is real, inverted, and of the same size. In Part B, the ray diagram of a concave lens shows that the image formed is always virtual, erect, and diminished on the same side of the lens. In Part C, using the lens combination formula, we calculate the equivalent focal length as minus 30 centimeters and the power as minus 3.33 diopter. To help you prepare, this blueprint outlines the question patterns you can expect for this chapter. Covering multiple choice, assertion reasoning, short answer, and case-based questions, this 9-mark breakdown tests your conceptual understanding, ray diagram analysis, and problem-solving skills. Finally, this topic-wise distribution helps you focus your studies. Image formation by lenses is a major focus, representing 5 marks. By mastering lens formulas, ray diagrams, and sign conventions, you can effectively improve your performance. Stay focused, practice regularly, and aim high.